Lads, how the fuck you doing today? I'm doing great, thanks for fucking asking. Today I'm bringing you guys a Nerf game video. So I'm assuming this is like actually a gun game in Call of Duty where you're shooting people and then they switch guns for different Nerf. It's got recommended on my YouTube. I thought it would be pretty cool to watch with you guys. And as always, I will leave the original link in the description below. If you want to check out the original video, you can. Alright, get a kill with 20 different weapons to win. Oh, start off free for a boom. Yep, you got a hit marker. Oh, this looks fucking sick already. I want to do this. Oh, he got hit. Shit. Oh, shit. Fuck, yep. Is he dead? Dead switch. Oh. Red screen. Quick. Oh, nice. He killed Nathan. Gun promotion. Yep. It's exactly like gun game. Oh, he's on the table. Oh, get him. He killed Mitch. Oh. Dude, this looks fucking sick. It's in a house, I'm assuming. Look at all the Nerf bullets on the ground. Imagine you clean up after that.
Oh my god, come on!
Yeah. Switch. Woo! Someone's watching Netflix. You killed Austin. So what weapon? Oh, he's on his third weapon right now. Oh. Nut shot. Oh, headshot. I like how they had the hit markers. That's good. How they did that. Oh shit, get out of the way. Dude, this guy's pushing. Someone's dolphin. Oh, he died. Shit. Kill cam. He dolphin died. That's fucking sick. They really need to add that back into Call of Duty. Tactical shotgun. Fortnite. Oh shit, kill him. It's a fucking shotgun. Go. That guy wearing a ballistic vest? Gun promote. That was like the war machine. Oh. Dude, look at the mess they're making. Holy shit. Boom. Okay, gun promotion. Yep. Oh, that gun looks sick. Dude, I need to play this. It's actually so fun. Oh. P90? What is that? No, it's a different gun. Oh, jump. Oh, this looks sick for taking it outside. Dude, imagine it's probably a knife then, that'll be sick. Knife, I held a knife or a ballistic knife maybe. Mercury. Oh. You have to reload it every shot. Oh, dead. Dude, I need to play this so bad. Teabagging me away. No. Yeah, that's a good setup he has right there. Oh. Get him hard. Run. Get him. How many bullets are in there? Oh, that looks sick, that gun. Percy's. That's like a fucking fire rate machine right there. Dude, I need to get these so bad. Me and the boys need to play this. Oh, a rocket launcher. Fuck yeah. That's gonna be hard to... Okay, you killed Mitch, yep. Soldier 76 rifle. Dude! Oh, you just got messed up, bro. That's an LMG for good. Oh, mount it. Dead. Seeing an X on Nathan. Fortnite Deagle. Oh, no, he died. Shit. Fuck yeah, that is sick. Headshot, no. What is this, a 2-shot? Boom, no. He's going back down. He's just grabbing up bullets from underneath. Boom. Nope. Come on, get him, peek. Come on, peek it, mate. Boom, right to the head, come on. Yes. Revolvinator. Dude, that guy's on a fucking LMG. Don't hide. He's dead. Yep. Ultra 1. That one looks like it. Oh, fuck. He's taking the lead by 1 kill. So he's first right now, hopefully. Hopefully after the kill cam. Yep. He's coming first. The other guy's right behind him, so you better hurry up and end this. Woo! Shit, what is that, like a sniper? See the tripod underneath, that looks sick. Boom! Okay, that crosshair wasn't even on him. Okay, that was. You killed Austin, good job. Oh, oh. Bow! Oh no! That laugh at the end, that was fucking funny. Ooh, dude, I really need to play this with the guys. This looks fun. I'm sort of worried about the mess I have to like clean up after. Look at all the bullets on the ground.
Oh, come on.
Did you just catch that? What was that? Nerf dog tennis. Oh, that was sick.
This is
Nerf sports golf. That's the last skill he needs. Go. Bobbing away, even bobbing away. Is he on his first kill?
Are you freaking kidding me?
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh, run! This is getting epic. This is epic. This is epic. Go, go, go! Is he bobbing and waving with that gun? Victory. Yes, nice shit. I'm trying to clap my hands. I'm trying to clap my hands.
Make sure you guys subscribe and smash that like button and turn the notification bell on.
Wow, that was crazy.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next gun game.
Wow, that was insane right now. Hold on, there's still more. Was it final? Is it keep going? What is it? Slow motion final. Oh, imagine you should have added blood effect to it. That would have been sick. Is that all? The winner's circle. That is fun. He's like, fuck off, leave me alone. I need to play this. I really need to play this. Boys, if you're watching this, we're gonna get somewhere, right? We're gonna do a video on this. This will be fun. So if you did like this video, make sure to drop a like. I'll leave the original video in the description below if you want to check it out. As I said in the beginning, comment and subscribe. It's been it. Peace.